everyone. I am Jessa Aguilar, currently studying Pasig City Institute of Science and Technology, taking up housekeeping and SKIP2. Today, I'm going to present a canister vacuum cleaner. Canister vacuum cleaner, there are 4 sections. So first is the head section, then the body section, the inner section, and the outer section. In the head section, there are 4 parts: the handle, the on and off switch, the blower port, and the electric cord. In the body section, there are 6: the dust drum, the blower port, and the suction port, the flexible lock, accessories holder, caster foot with storage, and then the caster wheel. Then the inner section, there are 2: the dust bag, and then the filter brace. For the outer section, there are 2: the flexible hose, and then the extension one. Then there are 4 accessories about vacuum cleaners. First is the carpet brush. When you press forward, it is for carpet only. So when you press backward, for hard floors like tiles. Then the crevice tools. It is used for the corners and the tight areas like this one. Then next is the small brush. It is used for the furnitures and upholstery. Next is squeezy nozzle. It is used for the water spillage. That's all. Thank you.